Hey creators, if you love video editing but feel like CapCut isn't enough, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring the best AI-powered CapCut alternatives that can help you edit faster, smarter, and more creative. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikTok, Instagram Reels, or even professional content, these tools offer amazing features to take your editing skills to the next level. So if you're ready, let's dive in. So these are the top CapCut alternatives. Number one is InVideo. It is perfect for beginners and pro. The InVideo features AI-powered templates for quick and professional edits. It also provides a massive stock libraries of videos, music, and effects. It's great for ads, social media videos, and marketing content. The number two alternatives is Runway ML. Runway ML offers AI magic for creative edits. It also provides features like remove backgrounds, track motion, and generate effects with AI. It also have a text video features that lets you create videos with just prompts. It is perfect for filmmakers, designers, and social media editors. The number three alternatives is the vid.io. It is simple yet powerful online editors. It has an AI generated subtitles, autocut, and auto captions. It features a browser based, so no downloads needed. It's ideal for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and IG Reels. The number four is a Descript. It is best for video podcasts and voiceover work. It also has a AI cloning and text-based video editing. It features transcribe and edit videos just like a document. It's great for content creators, podcaster, and streamers. Lastly is the Wondershare Filmora. The Wondershare Filmora has a smooth effects and AI tools. It has a AI cutout, auto bit sync, and advanced transition. It provides a tons of creative filters and cinematic effects. This is best for vlogs, travel videos, and high quality edits. And there you have it. These AI powered video editors are changing the game, making editing easier, faster, and more creative than ever before. If you found this video tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more awesome video editing tips. Thanks for watching!